So my last video, I used AI to build a full dropshipping store from scratch. Now I want to see what happens if I let it actually run the business. From sourcing products to optimizing everything inside the store, I'm testing how much of this can really be automated. My name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So I'm gonna move back into Doba Pilot, and as you guys should recall from the last video, this is our AI dropshipping agent, and it has a chat interface just like ChatGPT, but this one doesn't stop at suggestions. So instead of telling you what to do for your business, this tool actually does it all for you. It can do product research, product sourcing, listing, descriptions, titles, anything you need it to. Now, Doba Pilot just launched this month, and it's a tool I've been using on all of my own stores to save time and just kind of speed things up because it takes away most of the work involved with product research, listing products to your store, and writing detailed titles and descriptions. And like we already talked about, Doba Pilot can build your store in a matter of minutes just from one simple prompt. Plus, it can find and source any product you need it to with US-based suppliers. That way you can upload and test these products on your store and you don't have to worry about shipping times or anything else. And then of course, it can list any product you need it to on your Shopify or BigCommerce store with optimized titles and descriptions already done for you. Now these three right here are huge. It's gonna save you so much time on running your business, but Doba actually just announced that they have a ton of new features coming out soon. Doba's actually working on a deep research mode that can actually forecast trends on your Shopify store or recommend any other winning products for you to sell. But not only that, you're going to be able to automate your entire store with Doba pretty soon. You'll be able to automate all of your orders, everything will sync up daily, all of your tracking numbers will be sent to your customers. And like we already talked about, you're going to have US-based suppliers that can get you just 3 to 7 day shipping. There's a clear reason I'm testing this right now with all of my brands. And like we talked about before, there's so many things that Doba Pilot can do for you. Like you can see some examples right here. It can find and list products to your store. It can find best-selling products under $100 with 15% profit margins. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better results you're gonna get. Like for example, you guys can take a look at this workflow right here. So you guys can simply ask it to authorize your Shopify store and go ahead and list 10 best-selling products on there. Like always, it starts by understanding your needs. Then it's gonna go ahead and do the research for you and find those 10 products. It's gonna have you connect your Shopify store and list all of those products on your store for you. This saves you so much time because before AI, you used to have to spend hours optimizing all of your product pages. You'd have to create high quality product images, write high quality product descriptions, and really spend time creating a good offer before you launch anything. But now AI can handle all of this for you. And like I already mentioned, you want to be very specific with every prompt you feed this tool. So if I was using this on my own store, I would definitely make this a little bit more detailed. I would say something like find 25 trending products in the pet niche that can sell for over $40 with at least 50% profit margins that are problem solving, evergreen, and match most of our winning product criteria. Just be creative with your prompts, but always remember, the more you feed into this tool, the better results it's going to give you. So for example, let's say you guys are focused on high ticket products. I can say find high ticket home products over $300 with fast US shipping. So just tell it exactly what you want, click enter, and it's going to do all of that for you. It's going to start by using the AI to understand your needs. It wants to determine exactly what you want out of this. So it knows now that you want to find high ticket $300 plus products with fast US based shipping. Now it's going to use AI to find the best matching products based on your demands. So right away after determining what we're looking for, it found us 50 products to start. And as you guys can see right here, each one of these is a high ticket product in the home and living niche. You're gonna have a ton of home and furniture products, skincare products, electronics, tech, and so on. And you'll even come across some really strange finds like this. Maybe we want to skip this one for now. But regardless, any of these products right here should perform well on your high ticket store. And you can click on each product to learn a little bit more about it. Like this sofa right here, you can source for $1,400 and they actually recommend for selling it for upwards of $2,800 or $3,000. And like we asked Doba Pilot, this is shipped from a US based warehouse, so we can get it delivered in just 3 to 10 days. That's really good. There are a few prohibited marketplaces, like you can't sell this on Shine, Amazon, Lowe's, AliExpress, Overstock, and so on. But since we're selling on Shopify, we are 100% fine to do so. So you guys can do this for any product you come across on here if it catches your attention. And you guys can just select them one at a time and upload them to your store. Or you can select this entire list right here and upload all 50 if you wanted to. But you want to look through this entire list and look for products with 1, high perceived value, and number 2, high profit margins. brands. Those are the exact kind of high ticket products you want to focus on. So once you guys have a few products selected from this list, you can go ahead and upload them to your store. So you can see the 4 products you selected right here. Then you're going to confirm the store you want to upload it to. Doba actually lets you connect multiple stores and marketplaces. So you guys can see an entire list of your stores right here if you have multiple stores connected. Then you're going to set your selling price right here as well as your compare at price for your offer. They recommend just doing a 1.2 multiplier plus the shipping fee. And then you guys can select if you even want to include that shipping fee in your pricing. Now right here is very important. You guys can actually have AI optimize all of your product titles and descriptions for you. So you guys can keep it original and it's going to upload right to your store with the supplier optimized title and descriptions, or you can have everything cleaned up entirely from AI. I usually like to select those 2 boxes right there and we're going to click continue. So not only is it going to upload those 4 products to our store, but it's going to go ahead and optimize the title and descriptions for you. That way it gives you really strong keywords and branded titles, and you can rank higher on search engines because it's doing all of your search engine optimization or SEO entirely for you right now. It keeps all of that in mind. So once you type in all of your requirements and it knows exactly what you want from it, it's going to go ahead and upload those 4 products to your Shopify store. And since it is going through one at a time and individually customizing the title and the descriptions and everything else, this will take a little bit of time. But since we're only uploading 4 products, the estimated time is only 2 minutes. So I'll get back to you guys in just a moment when those are uploaded to our store. Because writing strong copy in your product descriptions can be very time consuming, especially when you're uploading dozens of products to your store. This can definitely burn you out in the very beginning, and a lot of beginners don't actually know what to include on their product pages. So right now you can basically have an expert do everything for you. Let AI do all of the heavy lifting. And just like that, it uploaded those 4 new products to our Shopify store in just a couple of minutes. So these 4 products right here are active on my new store. And if you're actually running an AI agent like Doba Pilot on your dropshipping business, there's so many different uses you can apply this to. For example, you can have it go through and source products for you daily. That way it can spot trends and upload winning products right to your store. You don't have to do any of the research. And obviously, like we just showed, you can automate all of your product listings and have Doba go through and update all of your offers for you. So you can change your messaging from one holiday offer to another, or just test entirely new offers. It's completely up to you. But this is so important right now because it levels the playing field. This gives complete beginners a really strong advantage, and it just overall speeds everything up for you. So if you start using Doba Pilot, this is going to free up a lot of your time and let you just focus on what really matters, marketing your store and making sales. Because there's still a couple things that Doba Pilot can't do for you. And that's things like your marketing, your creative testing, and your overall strategy. But it will remove a lot of the tedious, boring work that slows people down. And this is so important in the long run. So what you saw in this video today is exactly where e-commerce is headed. Fully automating a lot of the repetitive daily tasks so you can focus on the bigger picture and what really matters. And this is just gonna help you scale your brand to insane numbers. So for example, here's one of the new products they just added, that L-shaped sofa. And it gave us a strong title with a ton of keywords. That way we can rank high on search engines. And it gave us a really strong product description down here. Same thing, lots of high ranking keywords. Over here for our product images, look how clean these look. These are all high quality product images and nothing looks like it was taken off of AliExpress. They're branded, they're clean, they're visually appealing. You can use any of these that you want to on your own landing page. You'll just want to make a couple quick changes, like you want to add a category. You can edit all of the SEO down here, any color variants that you need to. You can add any tags. You can go ahead and organize everything on your Shopify store. But other than that, these products are ready to launch. Like you guys can see this entire product page right here, that was entirely built with AI. We didn't have to do any of the product research or upload this product. Like AI is literally doing everything for us from start to finish. So let's try one more example. I'll say find trending spring products and list them with a 20% margin. And this is perfect because we're just heading into spring right now. So we can go ahead and find some hot and trending spring products to upload to our store and test. And of course, I always specify that at least 20% profit margin because that's essential. So once again, it's gonna go ahead and understand your needs, and then it's gonna use AI to go ahead and source and find the best performing products for you. And according to Doba Pilot, these are the best performing Shopify spring products right now. And this is where it becomes a real assistant. not just another AI tool. Because as you guys already know, if any of these products catch your attention, you can just upload them to your store in just one click. It's literally never been easier to get started. Because now, thanks to AI agents, you don't need to be an expert in researching products, uploading them to your store, copywriting, or anything else. All you have to focus on is marketing your products and making sales. So now all of the hard work comes in designing and actually running all of your ads. And while AI can't exactly do all of that for you just yet, it can definitely find you the best performing products to put in your ads. The more specific you are with your prompts, the better results you're gonna get. So from using this over the last month, the one thing I've noticed is how much faster everything becomes. Like, you still need to know what you're doing, but this makes executing on everything so much easier. Now, if you guys are interested in testing this, you can get access to the entire tool for just $19 right now with their early bird special. So because they just launched this month, all plans are 50% off right now. And if you're a new user to Doba, you can get a 7-day trial plus 30 days of Doba Pilot for just $15. Or if you already have a Doba account, you can upgrade to Doba Pilot for just $19.99. But based on everything it already does and all the upcoming features about to be released, this is definitely worth it in my opinion, because it saves you on hours of listing products and doing research every single day, and it's literally just $20 a month. But that decision is entirely up to you. And for what this actually does, this is pretty low risk just to test it out and see if it fits your workflow. If it doesn't, you can cancel it at any time, but I guarantee you're gonna find this useful. But I always recommend testing things out instead of just watching videos like this. And if you wanna try this out while the early bird pricing is still available, I'll leave a link for you guys down below. But this is something I've been testing out myself behind the scenes for around the last month now. And as you guys saw today, I'm very impressed with the results. So this is what automation in e-commerce is really supposed to look like. Not replacing everything, but removing the slow, repetitive work so you can move much faster. I'll go ahead and leave a link for you guys down below. And if you found any value in this video, consider leaving a like, sharing it with others, and subscribing for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.